The automotive industry is rapidly evolving. Companies inundate us daily with new concepts and fresh approaches to the automobile. While many commuter cars are now using electrification to increase performance, enthusiasts who purchase sports cars will predictably be more resistant to change. In response to the new automotive world, manufacturers are taking on their biggest challenge yet, creating a sports car that can exist in a green future and appeal to traditional buyers. Some companies are rapidly investing in developing true drivers EVs with the tactile feedback enthusiasts crave. In comparison, other manufacturers plan to cling to analog technology as long as possible. Here are 5 sports cars in 2023. 2023 Mercedes-AMG SL. The iconic SL returns for the 2023 model year with captivating styling and a traditionalist approach mechanically. Americans can choose between 2 flavors at launch: the SL55 and the SL63. Both versions utilize a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. The SL55 variant produces 469 horsepower and SL63 produces 577 horsepower. Both are sure to satisfy long-term SL lovers. The SL gets a back seat for the first time, though it is not helpful for much more than luggage. Still, an average-size adult could probably squeeze if the front seat passenger was cozy with the dash. Now that the GT Coupe and the S-Class Cabrio are gone, Mercedes-Benz is aiming the new SL at the former customers as both. 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. The coveted Z06 badge returns to the Corvette in 2023 with the performance to match. While many historic Corvette fans are still slow to accept the mid-engine C8, several attributes will lend to helping consumers embrace the new flagship. The Z06 features the highest naturally aspirated V8 ever built, with 670 horsepower going to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. A 0 to 60 time of 2.6 seconds proves that the V8 isn't quite ready to be put out to pasture and is in line with many hybrid and electric supercars that utilize the instant torque of electric motors to attain such quick off-the-line times. 2023 Nissan Z. The Z moniker has ridden on Japanese sports cars since the release of the Nissan 240Z in 1969, and after a brief hiatus the Z returns for 2023. The all-new 2-passenger sports coupe doesn't feature any numerals for the first time. The coupe plays off its Datsun roots with sleek lines, a sloping roof and rounded headlights. Under the hood, the new coupe is the sure apex of the Z family with a twin 400-horsepower V6 which also makes an appearance in the Infiniti Q60. A 6-speed manual is standard to the relief of enthusiasts, while a 7-speed automatic is optional. At a starting price of just over $38,000, the all-new Z is a bargain when it comes to spiritedly sports coupes. 2023 Aston Martin the 5th 12 Vantage. While the entire Aston Martin lineup benefits from refreshes for the 2023 model year, few are as exciting as the limited edition V12 Vantage. As the name implies, there is more going on than fancy bodywork. For the first time since the last generation, the famous Aston Martin 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12 finds its way into Aston Martin's smallest coupe. The car's design is a farewell to the V12 with a limited edition run of just 330 vehicles, with a price tag surpassing $300,000. However, the staggering base MSRP is not enough to dissuade Aston Martin loyalists, as the order book for North America is already closing. 2023 Honda Civic Type R. The Honda Civic Type R returns for the 2023 model year better than before. Continuing on the badge's 30-year history, the Type R sets new benchmarks in the entry-level performance field. With Nürburgring tuning and a stiffer body, the new Type R is the apex of the long-standing family. A 2.0-liter feeds power through an improved 6-speed manual to create a driving experience truly built around the car enthusiast. Power output will get a bump from the previous year, probably around 10 horsepower more. Meanwhile, winged sports seats keep front occupants in place while rowing through sharp curves.